Right, hello, good morning. It's Thursday, the 11th of February, and here are the answers for the morning maths questions. Let's get the proper pen. First of all, it's not a very good start, is it? Right, take 456 away from 629. And yes, boys and girls, this is something that you can do in your head. Even if you need a whiteboard to jot things down, that sort of thing. Let's have a go. 629, take away 400. 600 take away 400 is 200. Okay, it's that simple. So 229. Right, that's the first part. So we've taken away the 400s rather. Sorry, 400. Right, now we're going to take away 50. So 229 take away 50. Well, that's going to take us less than 200. So we're going to start with 100. So 229 take away 50 is going to be 7. That's going to be a 7 there, isn't it? So it's going to be 179. Okay, it might have been 189, or it might have been 169 or 199, but it's got to be a 9. There's got to be a 9 in the ones column because we're taking away 50, which is a multiple of 10. Okay, and then finally, when we take away 6, so let's take away another 6 from this number, and we end up with 173. 9 take away 6 is 3, isn't it? Yeah, 173. So pardon me, we have now taken away 476. So 629 take away 456, pardon me, is 173. Okay, let's get rid of that answer and get rid of that answer because that's the only one that counts. Right, 734 then. Okay, so 700 take away 400 is now 300. So 334. So on your whiteboards you can write down 334. Then we're going to take away the 50. So 334 take away 50. Well, we know it's going to be less than 300, so therefore we start with a 2 for 200. 33, so that's 13. 13 take away 5 is 8, so therefore that's going to be an 80. So it's going to be 280, and 280, and there's a 4 here, so therefore it's on 284. So remember, we're taking away multiples of 10, so therefore the ones don't change. So we've taken away the 400, the 50, and now we finally need to take away the 6. Now the 1 will change. So 284 take away 6 is 283, 282, 281, 280, 279, 278. So 278, 278. And that's the final answer. So do this, cross that out. So 734 take away 456 is 278. Question number 2, multiply by 12. Okay, so remember we're multiplying by 10 and then by 2 and then adding. So 25 times 10 is 250. 250. 2 times 25 is 50. And so 250 plus 50 is 300. So the answer is 300. Okay, and 49 multiplied by 12. So remember what we do is we multiply by 10 first. So we've got 490, and then well, 2 lots of 49, well, think about it, 2 lots of 50 is 100, so therefore 2 lots of 49 is 100, take away 2, so that's 98. So we've got a 98 just here. So add those together, 490 plus 98 is 588. So the answer to this one, 588. Okay, 39, I'll give you the answer again. 39 times 10 is 390, 390, and then 2 lots of 39 is 78, 8, and then 390 plus 78 is 68, 468, 468. There we go. Next one, 16. 16 times 12, 160, what's that, 192, I think, isn't it? 16, that's all. So 160, yeah, it is, it's 192. Plus 2 lots of 16 is 32. And 160 plus 32 is 192. 192, yeah, there we go. And finally 38 times 12, do this, 38 times 12, so 380. Okay, that's 38 times 10. 2 lots of 38 is 76. There we go. So 380 plus 76 is 50. 456. 456. There we go. Okay, question number 3, divide by 100. Well, the answer to this one is 44 pence, nice and straightforward, and this one 46 pence. I need to make these much harder because they are far too easy. Anyway, next one, 273, subtract 273 from 5 meters and 1 centimeter. Now 5 meters is of course 500 centimeters, 500 and 1, so 501, so 501. I wonder if any of you put 5 and then a 1 and then a 0. Ah, right. Anyway, 273. Do this. Okay, this is subtraction. Right. 1 take away 3 we can't do, but we can't exchange from this column, so we have to exchange from this column. So this is now a 4. Okay, and this is a 10. Right, can we exchange from this column? Yes, because they've got 10, they've got plenty to give away. So that 10 now becomes a 9, and this becomes 11. So 11 take away 3 is 8, and then 9 take away 7 is 2, and then 4 take away 2 is 2. Right, 228. So we've got, so basically the answer is 228 centimeters. So how does that look? 228. Yes, that's perfect. Perfecto. Okay, question number 5. Let's make a bit of space. 1.5 kilograms. So we're talking about 1,500 grams. 1,500. Take away 498. Okay. Now I haven't done this as subtraction with decomposition, with exchanging, because 498, as you can see, is very nearly 500. So if we took away 500, we'll only be left with 1,000. We're not taking away 500 though, we're taking away a bit less. So if you take away less, you end up with more. So a bit more than 1,000, and it's 2 more than 1,000 because 498 add 2 is 500. So therefore 2 more than 1,000 is 1,002. So that one actually came out to be much simpler than it might have originally looked, which is why it's always worth, always worth just checking and thinking. Right, perimeters, centimeters, millimeters, you know the score now. So this is 70, and this is this is 30 millimeters. Put it over here, make sure you don't get it confused. This is 100, this is 89. Right, okay, let's do verticals first. So there's a vertical there, a vertical which we don't know, and a vertical which we do know. So what we're saying is 30 add the number we don't know is 89. Well, if we add 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, so that's 50 plus 9 is 59. So this is 59 millimeters, and that's this vertical bit here. That's 59. Now this one along here, what do we know? Well, we know that 70 goes across there, and we know that 100 goes across there, so this is going to be 170. Okay, right, so let's use the highlighter and go for pink and go for here. So it's going to be tricky whichever way we go, but anyway, let's go this way. So 170 plus 30 is 200. Well, so far that's not too bad. 200 plus 70 is 270. Yeah, good, 270. This one is 59. So 270 plus 59 is 329. 270 plus 59 is 329. 429. 429. 500. Oh, sorry. 509. 518. So 518. Okay. And now different color pen, and remember we go the other way. So 89, oops, plus 100, 189, plus 50 is 189, 239 plus 9, 239, 248, 248, 248 plus 70 is 348, 318, 318. Oh, this is looking good. 318. Let's write this down now. 318. 318. Okay. Now I know that's not 508. 18 rather. But look, we've still got the 30 and the 170 to go. So if we add 30 and 170, that equals 200. 200 plus 318 is 518. So therefore, that is correct. Well done, Mr. Oh, that's weird, isn't it? Well done, Mr. Smales. Okay, good. Hope that's fine. Hope you have a good day today, and bye-bye.